wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nisa Bustami. This is my partner.
Hello, my name is Nabila, and we will have a remote job interview.
Hello, good morning. Can you hear me well?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, I can hear you clearly.
My name is Nisa Bustami. I'm the Human Research Representative from Tesla. Thank you so much for joining this interview today. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm really happy and excited to be here today. Um, may I can tell you Miss Bustami, or do you prefer ma'am?
You can call me ma'am.
Okay, thank you for this opportunity.
That's great to her. I'm glad you called make it. Let's get started. Uh, could you please introduce yourself?
Of course. My name is Nabila. I'm from Batam, Indonesia. I'm currently studying informatics engineering at Ibnu Sina University. I have experience in machine learning, web development, and multimedia. I'm passionate about technology and I always enjoy learning new things.
That sounds really good. So, why are you applying for this remote position basically?
I believe remote work gives me the flexibility to focus and be more productive. I've already experienced remote internship before, such as with Technova Labs in Singapore and Telkom Indonesia in Bandung. So I'm quite comfortable working in a remote environment.
That's good. Remote experience is definitely plus.
For us now, do you know about our company Tesla?
Tesla is a technology company focused on AI and software engineering solution. I actually had the chance to intern here before as an AI software engineering intern, so I already have some understanding of the work culture and the kind of project the team works on.
Oh, that's great. It's always nice to have someone who already knows our.
Environment. Speaking of that, can you tell me more about your internship experience?
So I had three internship experience. First here at Technolopa Labs, where I have development machine learning model using Python and did data pre-processing. Second at Telkom Indonesia, where I built a web-based application and use GitHub for version control. And third at Rajokaos, where I handle graphic design and some administrative work.
Wow, that's impressive. That's impressive from someone still in university.
I can see you being very active. Let me ask you, what programming language are you comfortable with?
I'm most comfortable with Python, especially for machine learning and data related tasks. I also have experience with C++, and JavaScript. I use GitHub and Git regularly for version control in project, and sometimes I'm using AI too.
Great. Python is definitely what we ask the most her, so that's perfect. Now, it like to ask something about
More practical. How do you manage your time while working remotely?
I usually create a daily text list every morning to prioritize my work. I set specific working hours and try to avoid distraction during the time. I also ask to like Notion or Google Calendar to keep track of deadlines and meetings.
I like you already have a system in place. So, what would you say in your great strengths?
I think my greatest is my adaptability. I can work in both technical and creative tasks, which make me flexible in different team environments. I'm also a fast learner. I enjoy picking up new tools and technologies quickly.
Now, on the other side,
What is your great weakness?
Honestly, I tend to be a perfectionist. I sometimes spend too much time trying to make something perfect instead of finishing it on time. I'm working on this by setting time limits each task. Also, I can be a little forgetful with small details. So I now write everything down in notes to make sure nothing in misses.
oh, moving on, how do you handle working in a team what everything is done remotely?
Um, I believe clear communication is the key. I make sure to give regular updates to my team, respond to message properly, and attend all scheduled meetings. During my remote internship, I collaborated through Zoom, Slack, and GitHub, and it worked really well.
Communication is very in remote work. So I'm glad you understand that. Let's talk about the future. Where do you see yourself in 3 years?
In 3 years, I hope to grow into a confident machine learning engineering who can work on real world AI projects. I also want to deepen my knowledge in system design and contribute meaningfully to be a forward thinking teach them like this one.
That's a clear and realistic goal. Can you describe a challenge you faced during an internship and how you handle it?
At Telkom Indonesia, I had to debug a web application that keep crashing and I was not sure where the problems. But at first, I stay calm, check the error log step by step, and ask my superior for guidance. In the end, we fix it together. I taught me the value of passion and teamwork.
That's great example.
Staying calm under pros and knowing when to ask for help is really improve. Quick question. Are you comfortable working across different time zones?
Yes, I am. My internship at Technolocal Labs were a remote position based in Singapore. So I already have some experience adjusting to different time zone. I'm flexible with my schedules as long as know the expectation in advance.
Explain.
What tools of software do you actually use in your work?
Um, for coding, I use Xcode and Jupyter Notebook. For version control, I use Git and GitHub. For design and multimedia, I use Canva, Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci sometimes, and CapCut. For communication, I'm comfortable with Zoom, Slack, and email.
Great. Before I ask my last question, do you have any question for us?
Yes, I do. Um, could you tell me more about the team I would be working with and what the day-to-day talks look like for this role? I also love to know what kind of growth opportunities are available.
Great question.
You will be enjoying a small but slight AI engineering team about 5 people. Day to day, you all mostly work on data progressing, supporting model training, and writing documentation. Ask for growth.
You have a membership program and we encourage and team members to talk online growth. There definitely room to develop her.
So exciting. The mentorship program especially is something I really look forward to. Thank you for explaining me, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, let's start this.
Why should we hear you?
I bring a communication of technical skill and creative thinking. I have hands-on experience in machine learning, web development, and multimedia, which make me versatile. I'm a fast learner and good communicator, and I'm greatly passionate about building technology that is useful and meaningful. I also already know how Tesla works, so I believe I can contribute positively to the team from day one.
That was a very confident and wisdom answer, Nabila. I really enjoy your conversation today. You've been very clear and honest through the interview.
We will get back to you within the next Thursday with our destination in the anything else you would like to add before we close.
Uh, Thank you so much, ma'am. I really enjoyed this interview as well. I just want to say that I'm very interested in this position and I'm ready to give my best if given the opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Nabila.
It was pleasure. We'll be in touch long. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you again for your time.